If you've ever wanted to learn mosaic crochet, but you've been a little bit intimidated, then this project is just for you. I am hosting a brand new crochet along where we'll be creating a beautiful summer-inspired blanket together, one section at a time. And the best part? You can follow along for free. Hi, I'm Erin from Juniper and Oaks, and I design mosaic crochet patterns so you can gain confidence and create gorgeous crochet patterns for your home or for your friends. And today, I'm so excited to introduce you to the great summer mosaic crochet along. Ain't she a beaut? This is a collaborative crochet along featuring 10 different mosaic crochet patterns, all inspired by summer. We're talking sunshine, florals, beach, citrus, popsicles, and more. Each section is designed by a different crochet designer, and it comes together in one cohesive summery blanket. Before we go into the details, will you like this video and share it with your crochet friend who needs to make this up with us? Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell if you love crochet. So let's talk a little bit about how this is going to work. The crochet along, or CAL, begins on June 2nd, and 2 sections will be released every week. But don't worry, this is not something that you can fall behind on. Each section is going to be available long-term, so you can start anytime, and even if you get behind, you can finish at any time as well. So whether you're joining right away or you find this video months after the fact, you can still jump in and enjoy the full crochet along experience. Now, if mosaic crochet sounds complicated or seems too intricate for your crochet level, I promise it's not. Let me reassure you, overlay mosaic crochet is one of the easiest crochet colorwork techniques because, in fact, although it looks like a complicated colorwork piece, it's not. We are simply crocheting up stripes. Look at the back side. This project uses simple stitches, one color per row, so we're not doing any complicated color changes, and it follows simple, easy to understand charts so you can create this masterpiece. So if you know how to single crochet and double crochet, you can absolutely do this. Mosaic crochet is an easy to master technique, and all of us designers are here to help you. We have sample swatches and video tutorials to help you out so you can go from beginner to confident in no time. A little bit about the yarn and the colors. This sample uses a summery color palette with yellow and rose, orchid, peach, and a sea green with white as the base. So you can go ahead and choose the same colors I have. There is a yarn bundle that has all of the colors and yarn skeins that you need, but you can absolutely go off script and use your own colors and your own yarn and make this blanket truly personal to you. As I've said, you can follow along with this project completely free. Each stripe is released on the designer's website as a free on the blog chart. If you enjoy working gradually, crocheting from a chart, and following along on the designer's website, this option is perfect for you. But if you prefer everything in one place, we have an ad-free printable bundle for you. This premium bundle includes all of the charts in one place, includes written instructions for each of the sections, and it's available in a clean printable format. And then there's also other bonuses included in there, including an exclusive crochet along community, a free mystery pattern, and a trial to the Crochet Collective membership. The bundle option is perfect for you if you prefer to sit away from your computer with the printable option in front of you all in one place. One of my favorite parts about a crochet along is the community. Seeing other people's color choices, sharing your project, getting inspiration, asking questions, and just seeing your blanket grow together alongside other people. All of that makes crocheting this blanket up just a lot more fun. For the community experience, you can jump into the free Facebook group for the Juniper and Oaks Crochet community. Plus, included in the premium bundle, you are invited to join the exclusive Crochet Along community inside of the Crochet Collective. This is off of Facebook, it's ad-free and private and exclusive just for this Crochet Along. If you'd like to join, I have included links to everything. You can sign up for free, buy the premium bundle, or explore all the options. And I'd love to know, have you ever done mosaic crochet before, or is this your first time? Let me know in the comments. I'm so excited to crochet this blanket up with you. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, happy crocheting.